Coal India Limited and Uttar Pradesh Rajya Vidyut Utpadan Nigam Limited have signed a joint venture agreement to build renewable energy projects across Uttar Pradesh. This partnership marks a major step forward in boosting clean energy in the state. The agreement was signed on July 3, 2026. Northern Coalfields Limited has signed a 10-year total fuel management agreement with BTCL to strengthen fuel logistics and improve operational efficiency across its mining operations. The agreement was signed at the NCL headquarters in Singrauli on July 2, 2026, marking a significant step towards ensuring uninterrupted fuel availability for the company's large-scale coal production activities. As part of the ongoing nationwide cleanliness campaign, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Tel Bhavan Dehradun organized an engaging puppet show to spread critical awareness about cleanliness, personal hygiene, and waste segregation. The initiative focused on promoting responsible civic behavior among employees and the local community. In a major push toward expanding clean energy infrastructure, the Solar Energy Corporation of India Limited has announced a fresh tender for setting up a utility-scale wind power facility. The central public sector undertaking is looking for experienced contractors to handle the complete engineering, procurement, and construction cycle for a cumulative capacity of 45.6 megawatts plus 5%. Continuing its strong growth trajectory in the domestic mining landscape, state-owned manganese ore producer MOIL Limited has recorded a stellar operational performance for the opening quarter of the financial year 2026-27. The Mini Ratna public sector undertaking announced that it has successfully clocked its best-ever Q1 production of 5.08 lakh tons during the April to June 2026 window. RITES Limited has announced that CARE Ratings Limited has assigned a CARE AAA Stable Outlook rating along with a CARE A1 Plus rating to the company's 3,555 crore rupees long-term and short-term non-fund-based bank facilities. In a landmark development for India-Israel economic ties, the bilateral investment agreement between the Government of the Republic of India and the Government of the State of Israel has officially entered into force today, July 4, 2026. Signed on September 8, 2025 in New Delhi, this modern treaty replaces the 1996 BIT and is designed to boost cross-border investments while safeguarding sovereign policy space. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi today inaugurated SJVN's 1000 megawatt Bikaner solar power project from Pachpadra, Rajasthan, marking a significant milestone in India's renewable energy journey and reaffirming the nation's commitment towards achieving its clean energy and sustainability goals. A.S. Sahane, Chairman of Indian Oil, has congratulated the teams of Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited and HPCL Rajasthan Refinery Limited on the successful commissioning of the HPCL Rajasthan Refinery, describing the achievement as a major milestone for India's energy sector. The 5-year term of Rajesh Kumar Singh as Chairman and Managing Director of Bridge and Roof Company India Limited is set to conclude in October 2026. Reliable sources indicate that he is expected to receive another extension, possibly till April 2029.